Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn to let go. First, understand that letting go is about releasing control over things you cannot change, not about indifference. Many people struggle because of fear of the unknown or strong attachments to the past. However, embracing this mindset can bring immense peace and personal freedom, allowing you to move forward with clarity and a lighter heart. It's a powerful step towards emotional well-being. To begin, practice mindfulness by observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This helps you recognize what you're holding on to. Next, set clear boundaries in your relationships and daily life to protect your emotional energy. Remember, it's okay to say no. Finally, prioritize self-care activities like exercise or hobbies. These are crucial for maintaining your mental well-being and fostering a sense of inner calm. Overcoming obstacles on this journey involves acknowledging and processing difficult emotions such as fear, anger, or sadness. Don't suppress them. Allow yourself to feel. Seeking support from trusted friends, family, or a professional therapist can provide valuable perspective and guidance. Additionally, develop resilience by reflecting on past experiences and understanding how you successfully navigated challenges before. This builds confidence for future growth. To sustain your newfound peace, regularly reflect on your progress and celebrate every small victory along the way. This reinforces positive habits and motivation. Cultivate gratitude by focusing on the good things in your life, which helps shift your perspective positively and reduces the urge to hold on to negativity. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you on your journey. Keep practicing these steps for lasting inner calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.